Come test drive the 2003 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, power brakes, Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, center console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.